Hello students. In this section of data communication and computer network, we will focus about SDLC frame format. इससे पहले के क्लास में हम लोग देखे थे जैसे कि different like particularly configuration is there, like different stations are there, and as well as different particularly modes are there. So this section is all about what is frame format in SDLC. So first of all, we just focus about the basic form structure of the SDLC. SDLC generally uses the term frame, that is called the framing, to indicate and represent an entity of data or a protocol of data, that is data unit, often transmitted from one station to another station. On the previous part, like in OSI reference model, there are different particular layers. All the such layers or all the subsequent layers are interrelated with each other, and every individual layer having its own functionality of data. So in the data link layer, the data link protocol are normally widely implemented with the framing concept. So that's why the frame basically indicate and represent an entity of data. It is basically called the data entity or a protocol of data unit, which is normally transmitted from one station to another station. It may be either primary or secondary station. So each and every frame on link should begin and end with a flag sequence, that is field F. As I say earlier in the subsequent particular class, every individual particularly frame are normally contain different type of like fields, like it is in the beginning and as well as end that having flag field. In between, header and footer concept, sorry, header and trailer concept is there, or header and trailer field is there, and in between the header and particular trailer, it normally contain the data field. So that's why each and every frame in the link should begin and as well as end with a flag sequence, that is like flag field F. It is denoted as F. And each particularly of the frame in SDL include mainly 6 fields. So every individual particularly SDLC frame format normally contain 6 different type of fields there. So first of all, it is normally begins with or starts with a flag field, then followed by an address field, and third one is basically called a control field in a sequence. And after that, the control field, it contains the information field, and the next field is normally in the list, that is called FCS, that is called frame check sequence field. And after that, at the end of the particularly frame, it normally contain the ending flag field. So every individual particularly SDLC frame normally contains 6 different particularly fields. Starts from or starting with your flag, ending with a flag, that is normally called the beginning and as well as the closing or ending of the subsequent frame. In between, after the flag field, it normally contain address field, control field, information field, frame check sequence field, and last it is normally called the flag again. So it is basically the simple example, the ending flag field of one frame can serve as beginning flag field of the next frame. So every particular data in a sequence, whenever more than one packet can be transmitted over a subsequent medium, it normally contain more than one frames. So every individual frame is basically, or individual frame is basically a smallest unit of the subsequent packet. So the ending field is normally indicated as ending of a particular like current frame, and it also indicate beginning of a new particularly frame. So it is basically, the simple diagram says that it is basically flag field in the beginning, and after that address field, then control field, information field, like frame sequence field or control sequence field, and last is normally called the flag field. So basically the flag field normally contain 8 bits, and your address will also contain 8 bits of information. Then followed by the control field is normally called 8 or 16. It depends upon 1 byte or 2 byte of concept. then your particular information is variable, because more than one particularly frames can be subsequently passed from source to destination. So that's why the information field may vary for actually frame to frame. So it may contain more than one frame concepts, and the particular like frame control sequence field is normally 16 or particular 32. That is 16 particular bits, or like you can say 2 byte, or it may be the 4 byte of concepts. And again, the flag field normally contain the 8 bit of concepts. So like the flag normally in the beginning and as well as the end is basically denoted as 0 followed by 6 1 followed by 0. It is a predefined particularly structure, you can say. And in between the particularly control field define the three different particularly framing concepts there, I frame, S frame and U frame. ये हम लोग अभी नॉर्मली करंट पर्टिकुलरली स्लाइड के बाद नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में हम लोग इसके ऊपर एक्चुअली फोकस करेंगे. Then it is the basic structure of the particularly or the size of the different particularly field. Like flag field normally contain 8 bits, like address field again contain 8 bits of information. Control field normally contain 8 or 16 bit according to the requirement of the subsequence frame, and the information field is called variable. It is not particularly use some types of SDL frame. तो ये आपका ज्यादातर आपका SDL frame में यूज होता है. कभी आपका नॉर्मली ये डिपेंड कर रहा है जैसे कि the size of the subsequent particular information field varies from one particular packet to another packet. And the next is called the FCS, that is called frame check field, sequence field. It normally contains 16 to 32 bits, that is 2 byte or normally 4 byte of concept. And the closing field again contain 8 bits, that is 1 byte in particularly like the range or 1 byte in size. And next particularly is normally related. So in this particular like form, it normally the control field normally contains three different type of framing concepts there, like that is I frame, S frame and U frame. So let's focus about the types of particular SDL frames. So there are three types of SDL frames are there. The type of the frame is determined by the control field of the frame. So basically the different type of particularly SDLC frame are related with the control particularly field. So first of all, let's focus about the iframe. So iframe stands for information frame which carries user data from the network layer. So as I say earlier, जैसे कि मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूँ, in any particularly layer particular model or layer reference model or layer protocol system, each and every layers are interrelated with each other. So एक पर्टिकुलर लेयर का डेटा दूसरे लेयर में फंक्शनिंग होता है या दूसरे लेयर को ट्रांसमिट किया जाता है. सो बेसिकली आई फ्रेम जो होता है इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रेम जो कि आपका कैरी करता है डेटा या विच कैरीज यूजर डेटा फ्रॉम द नेटवर्क लेयर, एंड दे आल्सो इंक्लूड फ्लो एंड एज वेल एज एरर कंट्रोल इंफॉर्मेशन that is like piggybacked on the user data. So it also actually contain the error control information and as well as the data flow control information along with that. So that's why the first bit of the control field of the iframe is that is 0. So as you know that it is normally electromagnetic like signal that 0 and 1. So that's why the first bit of the control field का जो पहला character होगा वो हमेशा या iframe का जो particularly like जो character होगा वो हमेशा 0 से ही start होगा या 0 होगा. And second in the list that is called S frame. S frame is normally called supervision frame or supervisory frame which do not contain any information. So वो information field का कोई भी content को hold नहीं करता है because इसका काम है supervise करना या supervision करना. So they are used or flow and as well as error control when piggyback means back to back normally जो data आता है is not required. So ये आपका normally basically they are used for flow and as well as error control. So ये flow और error control को भी hold करता है. That's why the first two bits of the control field of the S frame is 1 0. तो जो आपका 8 bit या जैसे कि 16 bit का जो भी particular like उसका जो size होता है उससे पहला जैसे कि I frame का जो particularly bit start होता है 0 से और इसका जो bit start होगा वो 1 0 से. That is 1 0 मतलब आपका जैसे कि पहला कैरेक्टर आपका नो पॉल्स होगा और दूसरा आपका जैसे कि नो पॉल्स होगा. And third in the particularly control field list that is normally called U frame. So U frame is normally called on numbered frame. On numbered मतलब ये numbering नहीं होगा. On numbered frame are used for like measured miscellaneous functions. वो ये different variety of functions का एक combination होता है, like particularly link management. ये आपका सबसे important चीज होता है. It normally establish link between the subsequent particular field in the subsequent frame. So it may contain an information field. ये आपका information field को hold करेगा. अगर आपका required हो रहा है, if required, the first two bit of the control field of the U frame is, that is 1 1. So it begins with like 0, then followed by 1 0, then followed by 1 1. It is normally in the subsequence particular sequence. So basically these are the three subsequence diagrams, like I frame, S frame, and as well as U frame. So your I frame normally contains 6 different particularly fields, like a flag in the beginning, followed by address, then followed by control, and user data from the upper level, that is normally called the data field, and followed by, it is normally called the control sequence, that is called frame control sequence, because in this way the subsequence frame can be communicate one after another. So every individual frame having its own particularly identity, और उसका एक नेमिंग या एक particularly address होगा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ट्रांसमीटर एंड आपका जब भी डाटा आपका सेंड करता है जैसे कि रिसीविंग एंड को, तो रिसीविंग एंड कौन से सीक्वेंस को एक्चुअली मेंटेन करेगा या कौन से सीक्वेंस में डेटा को रिसीव करेगा, ये आपका नॉर्मली जैसे कि कंट्रोल सीक्वेंस आपका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होता है, क्योंकि वन आफ्टर अनदर इट नॉर्मली provide or normally follow the data. And the last is normally called again the flag field, which is normally called end of a particularly frame and beginning of another particularly frame. So it is basically called the indicator or the delimiter of a particular frame, so, like would be closed and begin with another new frame concepts. And your S frame normally contain 5 different particularly fields. It starts from flag, followed by address, then followed by control field, and followed by, like there is no particularly data field is there, like then after that it is normally called the control sequence like frame, and last is normally called the flag field. And again U frame normally contain the flag, address, and control as usual in the previous particularly like frame also having that. And next is normally called the management field. It normally manage the particularly data from or user data from the upper layers. सो इसका मेजर काम होता है ये जो अपर लेयर से जो डेटा आता है उसको प्रॉपर वे में मैनेज करना, या उसको जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते हैं मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन या मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन होता है. देन आफ्टर दैट इट नॉर्मली कंटेन द फ्रेम पर्टिकुलर कंट्रोल सीक्वेंस एंड फॉलोड बाय द फ्लैग फील्ड. So let's begin with, like there are different particularly 6 different particularly fields in the like SDLC frame. It starts from, again I repeat the subsequence thing, it starts from flag field, then followed by your address field, and third is basically called the control field. Then next is normally called the information field, and next is called the FCS, that is called frame control sequence. Like normally it is normally called the sequencing of the subsequence frame, and the last again it is again the flag field. So let's begin with the some of the fields which is normally defined inside a subsequence SDLC frame format. So let's begin with the first field is normally called the flag field. So as you know that, जैसे कि हम लोग ये इससे पहले मैं बताया हूँ, फ्लैग फील्ड जो होता है वो एक फ्रेम फॉर्मेट के मतलब स्टार्टिंग में होता है या जैसे कि एंडिंग में भी होता है. So the flag field normally contain 8 bit of particular, इसका जो साइज होता है वो 8 bit का होता है या 1 byte का होता है, and is always particularly indicated as 0 followed by 6 particularly 1 and followed by the 0. So the flag field is generally responsible for initiation and termination of the error checking. तो इसका जो मेजर काम जो होता है या इसका जो मेजर पर्टिकुलर टास्क जो होता है वो एरर चेक करेगा, मतलब इनिशिएशन लेगा, मतलब इनिशियलाइजेशन या जैसे कि इनिशिएटिव करेगा, एंड एज वेल एज टर्मिनेशन करेगा. तो इट इज मेनली रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द initiation and as well as the termination of the error checking. And next particular point says that in SDLC protocol there is no start and stop bits. तो यहाँ पे कोई स्टार्ट या स्टॉप बिट्स नहीं होता है. सो द फ्लैग फील्ड इज बेसिकली यूज डेलीमीटर एज 0 into 7 that is to simply indicate beginning and as well as the ending of the field. तो ये एक इंडिकेशन स्पेसिफिकली होता है, जैसे कि मैं पहले भी बताया हूँ, इसका कोई पर्टिकुलर स्टार्ट या स्टॉप बिट नहीं होता है. जैसे इससे पहले हम लोग देखे थे लाइक बिट एंड एज वेल एज कैरेक्टर प्रोटोकॉल में इट नॉर्मली हैविंग स्टॉपिंग एंड नॉन स्टॉपिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. सो it normally like stop 0 or 1 according to the subsequence particularly frame format. So इसमें कोई particular start या stop particular bits नहीं होता है. So it normally is plainly consisting of 8 bit of information and it is an 8-bit sequence with the pattern of जैसे कि मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ, that is 0 followed by 6 1 then followed by the 0, and that basically helps the identifying both starting and as well as the ending of the frame. So it is a fixed, मतलब ये आपका जैसे कि एक fixed particularly bit pattern होता है जो कि नॉर्मली ट्रांसमीटर और रिसीवर को पता चलता है, जैसे कि दिस इज कॉल्ड द बिगनिंग एंड एज वेल एज द एंडिंग ऑफ द सब्सिक्वेंट फ्रेम. दिस बिट पैटर्न आल्सो सर्व एज सिंक्रोनाइजेशन पैटर्न फॉर द रिसीवर. तो ये जैसे कि इससे पहले भी हम लोग देखे हैं, whenever the data is communicated और the data transmit जब होता है उसमें सिंक्रोनाइजेशन या सिंक्रोनाइज कंसेप्ट का वाइडली इंप्लीमेंट होता है, क्योंकि जैसे कि मल्टीप्लेक्सिंग कंसेप्ट हो गया या कोई भी पर्टिकुलर टेक्निक्स जहाँ पे यूज होता है, जैसे इससे पहले एसडीएलसी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन भी हम लोग देखे थे, डिफरेंट पैटर्न बैलेंस ऑन बैलेंस जो भी आपका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है उसमें आपका सिंक्रोनाइजेशन का वाइड इंप्लीमेंटेशन होता है. So this particular bit pattern is also not allowed to occur anywhere else inside the complete frame. तो ये फ्रेम में आपका ये इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ ये अटैच नहीं होता है, ये सेपरेटली या आइसोलेटेड वे में काम करता है, क्योंकि सबसे पहले ये आपका पास जब होता है नॉर्मली ट्रांसमीटर एंड से रिसीविंग एंड को, तो रिसीवर को पता चलता है जैसे कि दिस कॉल्ड द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फ्रेम एंड एज वेल एज द क्लोजिंग ऑफ द फ्रेम. And next is normally called the address field. As I say earlier, address normally contains the like source and as well as destination address concept. So address field generally include the SDLC address of the secondary station. मतलब जैसे कि प्राइमरी स्टेशन आपका कोई भी डेटा या कमांड जो सेकेंडरी स्टेशन को सेंड करता है, तो ऑन द पर्टिकुलर मतलब सेकेंडरी स्टेशन इश्यू क्या करता है, रेस्पॉन्स इश्यू करता है. So basically the primary station sends the command frame to the secondary station and the secondary station react on that, means issue the response particular frame to the primary station. So your address field is normally contain the SDLC address of, that is high particularly like high level data link control का जो address होता है वो secondary stations का address यहाँ पे normally include किया जाता है. तो it helps to identify the secondary station will send or receive the data frame. So by the help of this particularly SDLC address, the secondary station react on that or act on that or issuing the subsequent, मतलब जो send या receiving जो होता है वो data frame आपका send या receive कर सकता है. This will also generally consist of 8 bits as I say earlier. Therefore, it is capable of addressing 256 addresses, that is 256 addresses in the ASCII form. And this field can be of 1 byte or several bytes long. So ये depend कर सकता है 1 byte या several byte long, but it depends upon the requirement of the network. So ये network के ऊपर depend करता है, जैसे कि ये तो फिक्स है आपका, ये जनरली आपका 8 बिट का होता है या 1 बाइट का होता है, लेकिन टाइम टू टाइम जैसे कि डिफर ऑफ डिपेंड अपॉन द different type of network, it normally it can be, the field can be 1 byte or it can be several bytes long. So each byte can identify up to 128 stations. So the maximum number of stations can be identified by this particularly like address field is called 128 stations. And this address might include a particular address, the particular address of a subsequent particularly secondary station, a group address, or particularly a broadcast address. So it normally, as you know that your networking having like store and forward method and broadcast method. So it normally contain a subsequent, मतलब point to point protocol में आपका basically एक particular address को define करना जरूरी है, because as you know that primary and secondary station are there. So in that in some cases the network must contain like one particular primary and multiple secondary. So in that case it normally contain the group address, because one message can be passed to the multiple particularly stations. So a primary address can either be a source of communication or a destination that eliminates requirement of the including address of the primary. So your address field normally contain, as I say earlier, the address field normally contain the secondary station, SDLC address of the secondary station, but again the sender and as well as receiver information also kept inside particularly in this field. And third in the particular list is called control field. So control is normally called controlling the process of communication. So generally this particularly field uses like determine how to control process of communication. Though the communications should be in a smooth process. So the main task or the main particularly like you can say work of the subsequence control field is normally called control process of the communication. The control field is different for different type of frames in the SDL particular protocol. So it differ from like frame to frame, because as I say earlier, there are different type of frames there. Out of that, one is basically called fixed length and another thing is called variable length. So in the variable length length of particularly frame, every individual frame normally like having various sizes, or it normally the size can be vary from one frame to another frame. So in that case, basically it normally act or the control field is different for different type of frames in SDLC protocol. And that type of frames can be like information field, as I say earlier, I frame, S frame and U frame also normally like collaborated to the subsequence particularly types of the frame under the control field. So this field is normally 1 or 2 byte segment of frame generally required for flow and as well as error control. So controlling is basically called like the like control, basically control process communication is there. So the data control or data flow control and as well as the error control completely normally consider or normally completely जैसे कि आपका कंट्रोल फील्ड के normally inside आता है. So this field basically consists of 8 bits, but it can be extended up to 16 bits. So it may be 8 bit or 16 bit of particular like inside. So in this field, the interpretation of bits usually depend upon the type of frame. तो ये डिपेंड कर रहा है जैसे कि इंटरप्रेट करना, इंटरप्रिटेशन आपका जो होगा या ट्रांसलेशन या जो आपका कन्वर्सन होगा, ये आपका डिपेंड कर रहा है व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पर्टिकुलरली फ्रेम normally related with that, either it may be I frame or S frame or U frame. And next is called the information field. Basically the information field is related with the data field, which is normally the data from the upper particular layer. So this field is usually contain data or information of the user sender is transmitting to receiver in an I frame and as well as network layer or management information in U frame. So ये आपका एक combined particularly implementation होता है, I frame के साथ ये जुड़ा होता है, जैसे कि I frame also contain 6 particular different fields, but your particularly U frame or number frame also having 6 particularly different particular segment of fields there. So basically the information which is normally the user data which is comes from the previous layer, that is normally called the network layer, it can actually like transmit over the subsequent particularly medium. It also consists of user data and is fully transparent. ये आपका ट्रांसपेरेंट डेटा को इंप्लीमेंट करेगा, क्योंकि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डेटा, बिकॉज एज आई से एर्लियर इन द फिजिकल लेयर ऑफ द OSI रेफरेंस मॉडल the subsequent frame should be converting into the bit streams, that is zeros and one stream. So it also consists of ये आपका यूजर डेटा को होल्ड करेगा which is basically fully transparent to the subsequent particular network. The length of the particular field might vary from one network to another network. So ये आपका वेरिएबल साइज होता है या वेरिएबल पर्टिकुलरली साइज या लेंथ होता है. तो ये आपका नेटवर्क, एक नेटवर्क दूसरे नेटवर्क के बीच ये आपका नॉर्मली जो इंफॉर्मेशन फील्ड होता है वो वेरी करता है. एंड लास्ट आपका नॉर्मली इंफॉर्मेशन फील्ड इज नॉट ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन द SDLC फ्रेम, क्योंकि इससे पहले आपका जो नॉर्मली कंसेप्ट में बताया था, जैसे कि जो डायग्राम में बताया था, सो आपका जो आई फ्रेम में आपका यूजर डेटा होता है या आपका जो एस फ्रेम में आपका यूजर डेटा नहीं होता है. एंड एज वेल एज द यू फ्रेम आल्सो कंटेन द मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज अगेन द यूजर डेटा. सो नॉर्मली आपका जो SDLC का जो फ्रेम कंसेप्ट होता है या जैसे कि इंफॉर्मेशन फील्ड जो होता है वो आपका हमेशा SDLC फ्रेम के साथ एसोसिएट नहीं होता है. ये डिपेंड कर रहा है जैसे कि what type of communication or what type of process can be communicating between like source to destination end. And the last particularly in the like frame list, that is called FCS, that is called frame check sequence. So FCS is generally used for identification of errors, that is SDLC error detection. So इसका जो मेन काम होता है वो आइडेंटिफाई करेगा एरर, बिकॉज इससे पहले भी मैं बताया था whenever the data is passed from source to destination, that is from transmitter end to receiving end, it must be error free particularly data. So data आपका जो भी पास होगा जैसे कि ट्रांसमीटर एंड से रिसीविंग एंड को, वो आपका एरर फ्री होना चाहिए. तो द मेन पर्टिकुलरली फ्रेम चेक सीक्वेंस का जो मेन काम होता है या ये बेसिकली आपका यूज्ड होता है आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ एरर्स बेसिकली क्या क्या एरर होगा, दैट इज बेसिकली रिलेटेड विद द एसडीएलसी एरर डिटेक्शन। सो ये आपका एरर ट्रेस करेगा, एरर को डिटेक्ट करेगा एंड एज वेल एज उसको क्लियर करेगा। सो इन पर्टिकुलरली एफसीपी sorry FCS CRC16 that is called 16-bit like cyclic redundance check। ये आपका नॉर्मली डुप्लीकेट चेक को करेगा, या 16 बिट का चेक होगा या 32 बिट चेक होगा। इस कोड बेसिकली यूज फॉर द एरर डिटेक्शन। तो ये जो कंसेप्ट है ये हम लोग कमिंग पर्टिकुलर नेक्स्ट पर्टिकुलरली जो वीडियो क्लासेस या वीडियो होगा या जो पर्टिकुलरली लाइक कंटेंट्स में पास करूंगा उसमें हम लोग ये चीज पढ़ेंगे। एंड नेक्स्ट इज बेसिकली द फील्ड कैन either contain 2 byte और 4 byte, जैसे एलियर ये आपका 2 byte का या 4 byte का मतलब 16 बिट या 32 बिट का हो सकता है। दिस फील्ड इज टोटल this field is a total 16 bit that is required for error detection in address field, control field and as well as information field. So it contains all the subsequent particular fields, that is normally error detection आपका एड्रेस फील्ड में, कंट्रोल फील्ड में या इंफॉर्मेशन फील्ड में होगा। सो इट इज बेसिकली कैलकुलेटेड बाय सेंडर एंड रिसीवर बोथ ऑफ द डेटा फ्रेम। तो ये आपका जो कैलकुलेटिंग होता है वो सेंडर या रिसीवर बोथ पर्टिकुलर डेटा फ्रेम के ऊपर वो कैलकुलेशन करेगा एंड इट इज यूज्ड टू कंफर्म एंड एज वेल एज एंश्योर दैट डेटा फ्रेम वाज नॉट करप्टेड बाय मीडियम that is used for to transfer frame from sender to receiver। so ये आपका एक एश्योरेंस प्रोवाइड करेगा या एक कंफर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करेगा like while passing the subsequent particularly frame from source to destination, ये आपका एरर फ्री एनवायरनमेंट में जाएगा या आपका उसमें कोई जैसे कि कोई एरर नहीं है, या आपका जैसे कि फ्रेम वाज नॉट करप्टेड मतलब ये आपका करप्टेड फ्रेम नहीं होगा, क्योंकि एक बार आपका डेटा जब आपका सोर्स से डेस्टिनेशन में जा रहा है तो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम आपका क्या होता है, नॉर्मली आपका डेटा इंश्योर होना चाहता है, डेटा सिक्योर्ड होना चाहता है, डेटा आपका जैसे ट्रांसमीटर में जो फॉर्मेट में भेजा गया है उसी फॉर्मेट में आपका रिसीविंग एंड में वो एज यूजुअल रिसीव होना जरूरी है। एंड आप ये जो लास्ट आपका ये 5 अलग अलग आपका फील्ड है और स्टार्टिंग में मैं बताया था जैसे कि आपका जो फ्लैग फील्ड होता है वो एंड में भी होता है, इसका जो पर्टिकुलरली बिगनिंग में जो काम होता है वो एंडिंग में भी वही काम होता है। So it is all about the 5 different particularly 6 different particularly fields which is related with the SDLC format. So it's begin with your particularly flag field and with flag field, then followed by the next field is called the address field, and the third one is called control field, and fourth one is called the information field, which is normally called the subsequent particularly user data from its upper layer, that is called the network layer, and after that that is called the frame check sequence field, and last is basically again called the flag field. Okay, thank you.